नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमने मॉडल प्रैक्टिस सेट फॉर गुड्स गार्ड स्टेशन मास्टर एवं एलडीसी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए सॉल्व किया था। इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट को आपने देख लिया होगा, आई होप। इसका लिंक या आई बटन में हम दे देंगे, दे दिया गया है, ऐसा समझिए। तो सेकेंड पार्ट को हम सॉल्व करेंगे, पार्ट बी को, जो 51 क्वेश्चन से 100 तक जाएंगे। इसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि ये आपकी स्क्रीन पे जो इंस्ट्रक्शन है, जो 4 और 5 नंबर दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको ब्लू कलर एंड रेड कलर में, ये लिंक है जो आपके इस वीडियो के नीचे जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स है उसके अंदर दिए गए हैं। वहाँ से जाके आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। एक जो ब्लू कलर का है वो आपको विथ क्वेश्चन के साथ सॉल्व किए गए हैं आंसर, और डी आप विदाउट क्वेश्चन के साथ आंसर के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। तो ये दोनों आपको लिंक दे दिए गए हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, आप वहाँ भी जाके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं और अपने क्वेश्चन को वहाँ भी मिला सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को भी देख सकते हैं, जो आपको बेनिफिट हो उसके हिसाब से आप अपने टाइम को मैनेज करें और इस वीडियो का लुत्फ उठाएं और अपने ज्ञान का वर्धन करें। मैं आपको ये हमेशा कहता हूँ कि ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप के क्वेश्चन की डिमांड होती है नॉलेज, इन्फॉर्मेशन, एक्यूरेसी एंड प्रैक्टिस। तो ये चारों चीज़ें आपको दोनों जगह मैनेज करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। इसके अलावा जो टेलीग्राम चैनल है railwaeexam.in, वहाँ भी हम अच्छे से पोस्ट हम लोग करते रहते हैं, तो आप वहाँ भी जाके इस प्रैक्टिस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं और क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 पे चलते हैं बिना टाइम गंवाए हुए। Question number 51. Who will sign on T/1410? The option are A. Assistant driver, B. Driver, C. Guard, and D. It's pointsman. The right answer is B. C. Guard is the right answer. Question number 52. Name a form which is issued by guard to the driver. Option A, T/A 602, B, T/B 912, C, T/A C 609, and D, T/609. The right answer is D, T/609. Question number 53. During major work dash will be the overall in charge of NI working for both safety and operation. Option A, DRM and ADRM, B, senior DOM and DOM, C, senior DSO and DSO, D, senior DST and DST. The right answer is senior DOM and DOM. Question number 54. Standard gauge. Standard gauge dash mm. Option A 1674, B 1676, C 1687, D 1776. The right answer is B 1676. Question number 55. Periodic census of tariff at all LC gates shall be taken once in a dash year. Option A 1, B 2, C 3, and D is 5. The right answer is C 3 years. Question number 55. Gateman should report any unusual failure or a public complaint etc. to dash. A. PWI, B. CSI, C. TI, and D is SM. The right answer is D. SM. Question number 57. Which of the following train shall work without guard? Option A, mail or express, B, passenger train, C, EMU, and D is tower wagon. The right answer is tower wagon. Question number 58. How many numbers of trip guard should have undertake as a road learning at in night time when he has not worked in the section over 1 year? Option A 1, B 2, C 3, and none of these. The right answer is 1. A. 59. After several traction change of coaching trains, release of leading SLR guards, handbrake should be ensured by dash TXR staff, B station staff, CALP, and D is outgoing guard. The right answer is B station staff. C. Question number 60. Caution order shall be brought forward every dash Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. The right answer is Monday, B. Question number 61. Latest correction memo to GSRS is dash A 1/2020, B 2/2020, C 3/2020, and D is 4/2020. The right answer is 03/2020. C. Question number 62. In which financial year railway budget merged with general budget? Option A 2017-18, B 2018-19, C 2016-17, and D is 2019-20. The right answer is 2017-18. Question number 63. Which of the standard form is required to be used for issuing the revocation of suspension? Option A SF1, B SF3, C SF2, and D is SF4. The right answer is SF4, option D. Latest amendment slip issued to GNSR is dash A 32, B 33, C 34, and D is 35. The right answer is C 34. Question number 64. Before taking intimate discharge, whenever ALPs, SMs, and guards switchmen join this zonal railway on transfer, they shall attend dash A technical initial course, B GNSR initial course, C GNSR refresher course, and D is technical refresher course. The right answer is C GNSR refresher course. Question number 66. Number of brake cylinder per ICF coach is option A 4, B 5, C 6, and D is 8. The right answer is A 4. Question number 67. Number of brake cylinder per LHB coach is option A 4, B 5, C 6, and D is 8. The right answer is D 8. Question number 68. The rule number of GNSR for taking alcoholic drink, sedative, narcotic, stimulant, drug, or preparation is mentioned in GR 2.07, B GR 2.08, C GR 2.09, and D GR 2.10. The right answer is C GR 2.09. What shall be the speed of vehicle while testing detonator? Option A 8 to 10 km per hour, B 8 to 12 km per hour, C 8 km per hour, and D is 15 km per hour. The right answer is 8 to 10 km per hour is the right answer. Option A. Objective of conducting accident inquiry. A. To establish real cause of accident and the underlying circumstances which result in accident. B. To ascertain contributing factor or extenuating circumstances, if any. C. To examine whether there in any delay in relief and restoration work, and D is all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 71. Yearly coaching stock census is taken on. Option A 1st April, B 31st April, C 1st October, and D 31st October. The right answer is D 31st October. Punctuality is affected by A. Faulty timetable, B. Bad controlling, C. Delay in shunting, and D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 73. COA is linked with dash and dash. A. NTES, B. FOIS, C. FOIS and NTES, and D is none of the above. The right answer is C. FOIS and NTES. Question number 74. The normal aspect of descent signal is option A caution, B attention, C stop, and D is proceed. The right answer is A caution. Question number 75. The normal aspect of descent signal on double descent signal area is option A caution, B attention, C stop, and D is proceed. The right answer is B attention. Question number 76. When color light descent signal is combined with gate /LSS, normal aspect of that signal is option A caution, B attention, C stop, and D is proceed. The right answer is C stop. Question number 77. Calling on signal cannot be taken off during A. Reception end point failure, B. Trailing end point failure, C. Starter failure, and D. Home signal failure. The answer is A. Reception end point failure. Question number 78. TVG is high speed rail service of which country? A. China, B. France, C. Japan, and D is Germany. The right answer is B. France. Question number 79. SM can take off IB signal only after A. Establishing direction of tariff, B. Obtaining line clear, C. Either A or B, and both A and B. The right answer is D. Both A and B. Question number 80. Link-Hoffman-Bush is related to A. Coach, B. Wagon, C. Sleeper, and D is track. It's a Link-Hoffman-Bush is a coach. Question number 81. A special class railway apprentice SCRA is related with which department? A. Electrical, B. Mechanical, C. Signal, and D is civil. The right answer is B. Mechanical. And they are trained in Jamalpur. Question number 82. Headquarter of RDSO. A. Lucknow, B. Kanpur, C. Raebareli, and D is none of these. The right answer is A. Lucknow. Nearest railway station to visit Sardar Sarovar Dam is A. Kevadia, B. Daboi, C. Pratapnagar, and D is none of these. A. Kevadia. TSR is a stand. Train signal register. B. Train safety register. C. Train safety report. D. Train signal report. A. Train signal register, which is maintained by station master, and they also kept. Question number 85. New wagons have the number of option A 10 digits, B 11, C 12, and D is 15. The right answer is 11 digit. Question number 86. What is the periodicity of examination of alarm chain in the coach? Option A, every month, B, once in a 3 months, C, once in a 6 month, and D, once in a 9 month. Option B, once in a 3 month. Question number 87. NHSRCL was incorporated in year. Option A 2014, B 2015, C 2016, and D is 2017. The right answer is C 2016. Question number 88. What is the maximum age up to which a guard is eligible for promotion as a section controller in level 6? Option A 40 years, B 45 years, C 48 years, and D is none of these. The right answer is C 45 years. Question number 89. Sign sigma, board indicating. Option A, ahead to a stop signal, B, ahead of sun signal, C, ahead of LC, and D, none of the above. The right answer is ahead of stop signal. Question number 90. The rule for the payment of running and other allowances to the running staff came into enforce from option A 1st September 1981, 1st September 1986, 1st September 1987, and D is none of these. The right answer A 1st September 1981. Question number 91. When was the nationalization of Indian Railway done? It was 1950, but here the answer would be 1951. Question number 92. The first interim cabinet of Indian Railway was given to option A Jawaharlal Nehru, B John Mathai, C Asaf Ali, and D is none of these. The right answer is Asaf Ali. Question number 93. expansion of DTCV is option A daily travel cash book, B day train cash book, C daily train cash book, and D is daily ticket cash book. The right answer is daily train cash book, option C. Question number 94. ICC means interchange call communication, interchange chain communication, internal chain communication, and D is internal call communication. The right answer is C, internal chain communication. Question number 95. Which is first ISO 9002 certified train of India? Option A Bhopal Express Nizamuddin and Habibganj, B Hazrat Nizamuddin and Jhansi Shatabdi Express, C Bande Bharat, and D is none of these. The right answer is Bhopal Express Nizamuddin to Habibganj, A. Question number 96. 30% of the basic pay of running staff will be treated as representing the pay element for the entitlement of pass and PTO purpose. Option A yes, B no, C only for pass, and D is none of these. The right answer is yes. That means 30% is the basic pay of the running staff will be treated as a representing the pay element of the entitlement of pass and also for PTO purpose. So is the sentence is correct. Question number 97. RCT stand for Railway Claims Tribunal, B Railway Commercial Tribunal, C Railway Claims Terminal, and D is none of. Right answer is A Railway Claims Tribunal. Question number 98. Interlocked gate shall be always kept. A open for tariff, B available for tariff, C closed for traffic, and D is for goods tariff. It's A is the right answer. Open for traffic. Okay, is the right answer. Now let's move on. Question number 99. Distinguish marker and sign may be used with the approval of A PCOM, B CCRS, C Relay Board, and D is CRS. The right answer is C Relay Board. And 100 number question, last one. The aspect of the independent sun signal at on is A stop, B caution, C attention, and D is no light. Here is answer is A stop. Okay, thank you for watching.